Welcome to Ceiven Digital Academy. Today, we want to shift from coding. We want to learn about Facebook ad and how you can make payments in Naira. You know why this is important? Because a lot of us who are in digital marketing complain that they don't know how they can pay Facebook in Naira. And most times when they put their debit card, Facebook rejects it. And they begin to wonder why is Facebook rejecting their debit card. And of course, you know the way Nigeria is going right now, unless you want to go to get maybe a dollar ATM, a dollar card. But if you are using Naira card, then the way the Naira is going, the way Naira is falling, it becomes very, very important that you use a Naira card. But let me tell you one thing. Whether I use a Naira card or use a dollar card, one thing is certain. It doesn't affect your ad. In terms of quality, everything is the same. But the only difference is that the dollar card is postpaid, while Naira card is prepaid. What that means is that in dollar card, before they can charge you, you can be running an ad and Facebook will charge you later, be in a month or something like that. But for Naira card, if you don't have money in that Naira card, in that your card, Facebook is not going to run ad for you. The ad will stop, or so that they may even ban your account. So that's the difference. So before you make sure that before you start running a Naira card, you make sure that one thing is certain, you've already gotten enough money on the card before you run it. I also show you in case they are rejecting your card, what you need to do, the place you need to go so that card will be accepted straight away. So without much ado, let's go straight away. You know how I got here? Go to your Facebook page. Right there from your Facebook page, click on these three dots. Are you seeing the three dots? See my mouse on the three dots? Click on it. Then when you click on it, you click on business setting. Sometimes you see price payment setting here, but it's not here for my own. So you click on business setting. When you click on business setting, remember this is your account. You come to your account. So from your account, when you come to your account, you open your account, open the account, see the way it's open, you go to add account. Click on add account. Are you following? So from your add account, you come over here. You can just simply click on add and the account will add. But sometimes if you click on add, let me show you something. If you click on add, you now bring you down for you to select add an account. So you decide the account you want to add. Let's just click add an account. Let me show you something. I want to show you something. You add an account ID and the rest of them in case you have account already. But if you don't have account, for those who are new, want to create a new account like the one I want to create now, just click on here, come over here, click create a new add account. So when you click on create a new add account, it asks you for your add account name. You put your add account name, may likely be the name you use in your bank. Okay, so you add the account name, add everything. Okay, then you change the time zone, make sure that it is in Nigeria, search for it, or if you're not in Nigeria, you look for the country that you are in. So me, I'm looking for West Africa, the one that most especially Lagos. Let me look for Lagos. So let's scroll down. Let's stretch it. Make sure that you put your time zone in Lagos, so or any city you are in. Set for your city. Set for your city. So trying to search for it. To search for it. Why I'm doing it live is because I want you to see it live the way it is done, so I can follow it just this way. That you won't get to one stage and you are maybe you don't know what to do again and you now start saying that you didn't learn well. I believe in one thing. When anytime I want to teach people something, I teach completely, do it myself. You see I'm doing it, then you do it the same way. So I can get the same result or possibly a better result than what I'm getting. Okay. Still searching. See most of the ones I'm seeing is America, America, America. Right now, Nigeria will be there. Let's keep searching. African Tunis. No, let's not use African Tunis. Okay, scroll down. You see African Lagos. Okay, you see African Casablanca. In case you are there, European London, African Lagos, African Tunis, African stand down, European stand down. So we now use African Lagos because I'm in Lagos. Okay, I'll click on that. Okay, so once you've done that, you change your currency. This is where don't forget this is what matters. If you want to pay in dollar, then you can use dollar. But like I told you, I've already explained that it's the same thing. And I've told the differences, right? So but we don't want to pay in dollar, we want to pay in Naira. So you scroll down to the Naira, okay? Search for Naira as well. Search for it. See there I'm searching for mine. You see Nigerian Naira, okay? You click on Nigerian Naira, and that is it. So once you've done that, you will go to next. Let's click next. This account be used for, yeah, my business. It's not that of your client, it's your own business. Then you click on create, okay? Let's wait a little for you to create. So now, if you want to assign people, if you want people to assign people for this, you assign people to manage the account for you, add account, partial access, manage the account. If you want to assign people, you assign them. Once you assign people, the role you want to assign them, this is where you can come over. If you want them to, maybe they want to edit and they'll maybe if they're employee, you assign to partial role for them. But if they are not employee, if you are people that you are on the add together, maybe you are in a partnership or you are doing together, maybe you are a family, then you can give the person full control. This last one is full control. Once you click here, you give the person full control, okay? But if the person is not, maybe it's your employee or just employee person that should help you to run your business, you can give him partial control. Are you getting it? So you assign, okay? Once you assign, say account successfully created, and they give you account, your account name has been created, and this is blah 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 blah. So now add payment info. Now, in payment info, when you are here, you see Nigeria, Nigerian Naira, Lagos time. Make sure that you change your time zone. Don't forget, that's what we did in the, but in case you come here and it gives you another time zone, then you have to click here and then choose the time zone you want and make sure that you change it to the right one you want, okay? But everything is fine right here because my country is Nigeria, I'm using Naira, and my time zone is Lagos, I stay in Lagos, okay? So let's click on next. Hmm. Now, if you check here, you see what it's telling you. This is debit. If you use this debit to pay, that is why most of you are having problem. And that is where you need to pay more than the usual attention right now. If you use this debit to pay, it's likely going to bounce. It's not going to work. Instead, what you do is you use PayU. Look at PayU on green, PayU. A Naira payment with MasterCard or Visa PayU. Once you click on PayU, that's when you are using PayU to pay. So don't always forget to use PayU to pay, okay? Hmm. But in case you have an art credit, like sometimes people can give you an art credit, then you click on it and use your art credit. But in case you don't have, use PayU. And once you've done it this way, you bring back to the PayU and click on it, you are fine, you are good to go. So let's click next. And don't always forget to put your registration, put your house address, put everything, your necessary address, and also put two ways authentication because this is Facebook, so nobody will hack your account, okay? So that way, if anybody wants to hack your account, Facebook will tell you, send you message on your phone, your mobile phone for your password. Someone to change your password, you use the password and also the one from your phone. So always use two ways authentication, okay? You can do that from your settings. It's still opening. That's what I'm just, let's wait till it open. And don't forget, if you like what I'm giving you, kindly subscribe to my channel. Let's create this channel, let's build this channel together. Let's let people, other people can see it and also learn from it. Thank you in advance for subscribing. Turn on the notification button. Remember, we are majorly into coding, programming, and also digital marketing. And sometimes we also run ads, Google ads, Facebook ads, SEO, SEM, and the rest of them. Everything about digital marketing, we also into it. So you learn a lot from us. Kindly subscribe to our channel. See opening? Don't know why it's slow. Maybe it's network. I don't know. My network is fast, so I don't know why it's slow. But let's just hope that it will move very fast, okay? I don't know, it's unusually slow, but this is exactly what you need to do. The moment it's open, the next thing is for you to put your card, and you cannot use any of the ATM card you want to use. You can use Visa or MasterCard. You put the whole number, put the expiring date, put your CVC and your CV and all those stuffs, those 3-digit number. Once you are through with that, you select the amount you want to pay that you want to use to run your advert, maybe 5,000, any amount. Once you've done, everything should be okay. And your car will not bounce, Facebook will not reject it because you've done the right thing. One matter is that pay you, I show you where they say use pay you. So if you didn't see pay you, go back to that three place, click on it again until you see pay you. Once you see pay you, then you can now use it. But if you just ordinary business and tax, business add payment info, that debit or credit card info, this particular one, if it's only this, don't go back until you see the second one that talk about Naira payment with MasterCard through Visa through PayU. Okay. Yeah, for the business and tax info, don't worry about that. That may not really matter. It will still fly without that. So once again, thank you and see you on the top. I say about that program, I would like you to check around, anyone that interests you, watch over it and learn. You still have more to buy. If you have any problem, if you are facing what I'm facing now, any problem or anything that you are think that is not going, just kindly ask me in the comment section and I'll be glad to answer you. I'm always there. I always answer my comments. I always reply them. If you also have you on coding, feel free to meet me because I'm into programming. Once again, thank you so much and see you in my other class.